Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the lock and phone are compatible and powered. This avoids wasted steps. Once batteries are fresh, open the official app and sign in. Pair via Bluetooth by holding the lock's pairing button until the LED blinks. Follow app prompts to detect the device. Make sure the app has location and Bluetooth permissions so the phone can find and claim the lock. After pairing, name the lock and verify a secure connection before continuing to configuration. Now you configure how the smart lock behaves and who gets in. First, set an admin PIN and then create user codes with clear names and expiration rules. This keeps access organized. Update the lock firmware through the app so security patches apply, then calibrate the bolt and door sensing so auto lock works reliably. Once done, connect a Wi-Fi bridge or hub for remote control, and if you want, link your voice assistant. Make sure to test a remote lock and unlock to confirm integrations. Finish by thoroughly testing. Lock and unlock manually, via app, and using any scheduled rules so you see real behavior. Once satisfied, enable activity logs and push notifications to monitor entries and store a physical backup key or code in a safe place. Set clear schedules for auto lock and temporary guest codes. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Reboot your phone, toggle Bluetooth and location, then retry pairing. If that fails, replace batteries and perform a factory reset following the manufacturer's steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.